So here is a PET bottle, one of the greatest pollutants that we have. So just go ahead and draw a line just below the neck. And then using your blade, you're going to cut it in a straight line, ensuring that it's flat. And then once you've done that, go ahead and get rid or put away the bottle cap. And once you've done that, this you can use as a holder for your boiled egg during breakfast. Well, if you are in construction, then you'll find this very useful. Don't throw away that key. Remove the key ring, and then using your pliers and also your fingers as a tool on the other end, break away the key handle, and there you have it. This you can use as a washer. If you're in construction, then you know how important washers are when you're putting in your screws or your bolts. We all know how Crocs have replaced flip-flops over the past few years. They are comfortable to wear and they are also very light. So go ahead and cut part of that Croc that you've thrown away or you're about to throw away. And guys, this you can use as a pencil eraser. Well, if you have a ruler like this one and it has several holes in the middle, then you can make use of it as a tool for drawing perfect circles. Start by screwing one end and using your mark pen, pencil, pen, draw circles that are perfect. Then you can go ahead and paint in them or cut them using your jigsaw. It's a fun project. Finally, are you like me and you have nagging cockroaches in your space? Use a spoonful of honey and also add a teaspoonful of margarine. Then you're going to go ahead and mix them together, ensuring that they become one part. And then once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and start smearing it on the sides of this glass container. Remember, you can use any container that you have at home and ensure that it gets all round. Remember, the honey is to attract the cockroaches and the margarine is to make the cockroaches slide and drown in the water. Then after you've done that, you're going to leave it overnight. And guys, voila! Cockroaches were captured and killed. So this is an eco-friendly way of controlling the cockroaches in your home. And my hope is that you found this useful. Remember to subscribe and like, and also leave a comment below for suggestions on other cool ideas. Remember, this you can reuse. Go ahead and pour out the water and the cockroaches, and then you're going to replace it with clean water and place it inside your home, your workshop, and repeat the same process the next day.